Amazon seller account setup. That's what this video is going to be all about. So if you're ready to get started with your Amazon account, maybe you've been on the fence and just wondering, what is it going to take? What are you going to need? How difficult is it to get started? Then you're going to want to watch this video and you're going to see very quickly it is so easy to get started, which is very important if you want to start to make a profit. So we're going to get going right now. Okay, working class hustlers, thank you so much for taking a moment out of your day to spend with me. My name is Horace, also known as La Machine, and if you want to continue to learn how to sell on Amazon, how to make money, particularly using the arbitrage selling method, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every Thursday and Friday. That's when we upload videos. And also you'll be notified on Saturdays. That's where we go live each and every week. You get to hang out with the working class hustlers. You get to ask questions. We have giveaways we actually source together. It's a lot of fun, and you can become a member of the Working Class Hustler family. Okay guys, so as we said, this video is about setting up an Amazon seller account, and what I want to show you is how did I get that inspiration. One of the working class hustlers, Lennox France, actually had this idea, and as you can read here, they were saying, why not make a video with the creation of an Amazon and tactical arbitrage account for beginners? And they went on, and that was the inspiration behind this video. So thank you to Lennox. Remember guys, when you're a working class hustler, you're a real person. I'm a real person as well, and we act like it on this channel. So you're more than welcome to give ideas, leave comments. I do respond. So with that being said, we're going to show you just how easy it is to get started. If all you did was come over to Google and just Google the word Amazon, come right to the website. It'll look like this. And all you need to do is come down to the bottom of the page. And when you come down, you'll see where it says make money with us. You'll click on that and you'll be taken to the section where you would actually start your account. Now, I'll tell you right now, for whatever reason, because I hadn't been out there in a long time, for whatever reason, when you're going through the process, the website moves very slow. I mean, to the point where you would think something's wrong. It's lagging. So don't think that anything's wrong. If you click on a button and right away it doesn't move, wait. Okay, that's just how it's set up for reasons I don't know. And then once you click on sell on Amazon, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Okay, now here's what you need to understand right off the bat. There are two different selling plans that you need to choose from. You have the individual plan and the professional. So we're going to read this real quick. With the individual plan, you'll pay 99 cents every time you sell an item. The professional plan costs $39.99 per month, no matter how many items you sell. For both plans, Amazon also collects a referral fee on each sale, which is a percentage of the total transaction and varies by product category. We'll get more into that for those who choose to stay a little longer, but we're not going to get into that to keep this video brief for those who just want to know how to get started. Now, here's something else you need to know. Have these items and documents ready before you even go in. You have to have a business email address or Amazon customer account. So you can actually take your account, your existing customer account, and turn that into your seller account. And it will dual as your seller account and your regular customer account. That's the way mine is. You need a chargeable credit card. That's how they're going to charge you your fees. You have to have a government ID. You have to have tax information. You've got to have a phone number and a bank account where Amazon can send you your proceeds from your sales. And incidentally, they pay out every 2 weeks. So when you click sign up, then it's going to take you to this page right here. Here we go again, guys. You can see you need your business and contact address. You need your mobile telephone number. You need a chargeable credit card. You need your identity details. And from here, you'll select your country. Oops. We selected United Kingdom, but that's not what we really wanted. It doesn't matter. From here, you've got to select the type of business you have. So you can see the different ones: state-owned business, publicly listed business, privately owned business, charity, sole proprietor, and then you would go on and on. We're not going to go through that because you can do that when you have all of your documents and everything ready. You can go through that, and then of course with the account, you've given them an email, or they already have it if you've decided to just turn your existing account into your seller account. The bottom line is you'll get your email, and then, you know, letting you know that you have your account. I don't know how long it takes. It should be instantaneous. If not, they'll guide you through that. Pretty much, guys, that's all you have to do. So if you've been sitting on the fence with this, there is no reason. Now you see just how easy it is to get started. And we're going to move on a little bit more into the video because I'm going to show my numbers to kind of give you an idea of why you might want to go ahead and get started. This is just a step to get you into the business, but why would you want to get into the business? We're going to get into that. We're going to talk a little bit more about a seller essential account, some of the things that you might want to look at. If you're done with the video, then what we recommend is that you go ahead and watch the next video, which is the Lightning course. The Lightning course deals with tactical arbitrage. That is the software that I use. And by the way, this channel is all about selling on Amazon using the arbitrage business method. Arbitrage is where you go out to retail stores, any store that you can think of, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, and you buy products typically if you can get them on clearance or at a discount. And what you do is take those products that you bought retail and you turn right around and you sell them on Amazon. It is legal. And there are other ways to sell on Amazon. If you're not aware, you can do wholesale, where you have a wholesale account. You buy from the manufacturer themselves or an authorized wholesale distributor, and you sell on Amazon. You can do white labeling, which is a lot of times dealing with Alibaba, where you find existing products, slap your label on it, and now it's your product. Or you can actually go through the development of your own item and you can sell that. But I will tell you this: if you're new and you just want to get started, you're like raring to go. Arbitrage works. You can get started today. I mean, and don't let anyone tell you that it's not legal, that it's not viable, that it's not scalable. Watch some of the videos, but move on. If you're done, watch the Lightning course, because at the end of the day, this video was just to get you an account. Now you got to have the inventory. And if you're going to go with the arbitrage business model, you got to know how to find the inventory. Software is going to automate everything. And guess what? It's free to get started. We get you going with a 10-day free trial. So watch the Lightning course. For those that choose to stay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to talk a little bit more. Let me see. Earlier, we kind of touched on referral fees. So here's what that's all about. The referral fee is, for example, it is a percentage of the transaction, and it varies based on the category. Okay. Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I do a lot in the category grocery and gourmet. Now look at, because each one explains this, and you'll be able to see this when you go out to the website and get ready to get started. That way you know what you can expect to pay. So I pay 8% for products with a total sales price of $15 or less, and I pay 15% for products with a total sales price of greater than $15. I do a lot over $15, and look at 15%. That's not cheap, guys. That is among the higher. You know, look at personal computers. You're only paying 6%. You know, consumer electronics, 8%. Now you have your minimum that you're gonna pay. You'll hit that quick, guys. But just to give you an idea about that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take a look at my seller account. I gotta take a moment to get logged in. Okay guys, so now we're taking a look in my account, and if we look at today, so far we've had 6 units sold for $105.88, and for the last 8 days we've sold 160 units. For the last 15 days we've sold 363 units, and for the last 30 days we've sold 698 units for a total of $14,018.24. Now that sounds great, but you got to remember guys, these are gross numbers. This is not what I get to keep. So we're going to move over to another one of the my favorite software programs, and it's called Inventory Lab. And what I love about that is you get to really see what you get to keep. For example, take a look at last month. We did $16,047.09, but the profit after everything in a month, this is what we got to keep, $2,497.39. Now you might be thinking, hey, an extra $2,500 would change my life. I hope you do feel that way, because that's what we want to encourage you to do. It does make things nice. But you need to understand, look at how much just in FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon, transaction fees. We paid over $6,000 in that. Now that's looking at the entire quarter. So what we could do, we could go monthly, we could go July, and now we come over. So we spent $4,758.73 in fees. Then you got your selling fees, another $2,200. You got your cost of goods sold. What did I spend? A lot of times people are asking, hey Horace, how much do I need to be able to purchase? What needs to be my budget in order to make X amount of dollars? Here's an example, guys. You want to do like 14,000 in sales, you got to spend like 5,600. And it's just an example. It's going to depend on the type of products that you source. I source with a strategy where I'm happy making a 20% return on investment or higher. So how much are you spending to send your inventory into the inventory? We spent $740. Okay, let's go back real quick to just to look at August. So here, today is August the 11th, the year is 2020. So we've had $5,205.16 sold. We can keep $978.51, basically about $1,000. So if you multiply this by 3 roughly to get through the month, we might keep $3,000 this month, just depending on how things go. So I thought that might be interesting to you guys. I'm very transparent. That's what we do. So again, if you haven't watched the Lightning course, I highly encourage that. So now you guys decided to stay a little bit longer, but we're not going to keep you because I got to go to work. For those of you who don't know, I am actually a truck driver by trade. I work. That's why we call ourselves working class hustlers. Check this out, guys. Now today is Tuesday. I'm going to take, I'm actually going to take my tablet with me, and guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to see if while at work, I can find a product to share with you. Okay. And that product, actually, this video that I'm filming right now is going to be up on Friday. So that means that if things worked out, that video is already up. So we want you to see if that's up. Go to the channel, see if that video's up, because that video is for you. This is something we used to do. It's called Jump On It. That's a segment that we used to do whenever I had a moment. What could I do to help the working class hustlers? Okay, inventory is the lifeblood of your Amazon business. What can I do to help you get that inventory? Okay, it's great to talk about how you can do this. We got to go beyond that. We got to actually give you products that you can go out. This is especially for my beginners. I love you guys and I want you to have success. So what can I do to actually give it to you? So look for that video, watch that lightning course. I'll see you in both of those.